Right now I'm in beast mode. On fire in my beast mode. Right now I'm in beast mode. I'm back in the game. On fire in my beast mode. Remember my nickname. I'm back in the game.
We coming, man. We coming just like they prepared. Alcorn got something to say.
How you feel? Alright! Oh! Whoa! Quit! Because how you feel? Alright!
My name is Brian Sterling. My role is assistant band director / logistics coordinator. My functions are dealing with the drum section, day-to-day basis, logistics and behind the scenes with the marching band, as well as drill design. Here at Alcorn, we have majority day games that start at about 2 o'clock. So we have to condition the body to be acclimated to the sun. So therefore the PT, the conditioning, the calisthenics is very important to get your body conditioned to the Alcorn heat, because that's not regular heat.
Morgan, you can? Slow it down. Azarius.
I would say it was more intimidating than exhausting, because that was, it was 4 in the morning, it was dark, all you hear is yelling and run, and it was a lot. So I wouldn't say I was exhausted, because I was kind of used to pushing through like pain or whatever, but it was more intimidating than anything, because he's kind of scary. So I would say I was more intimidated than exhausted.
This what, year 13 for Big Z with the band. A lot of people don't know, man, we do a lot of stuff for this band behind the scenes. And this is something we started, man, by my second or third year, and we seen he was doing such a great job with PT and getting the kids excited, and at the same time doing it in a safe way. It just been like tradition. And as y'all can see, he's a man of faith as well. He's been a long-standing officer of the law, and he loves this band program, and he's been doing this every year. Y'all give it up one time for Big Z, man. All right. Hey, look, y'all got him again tomorrow morning, by the way. Y'all got him again tomorrow morning.
Some names immediately evoke an uncommon sense of family, an unmistakable sense of character, an undeniable sense of legacy. Always. Where trailblazers and innovators chart new paths of possibility. Where academic rigor empowers the strength of character to lead with knowledge and integrity. It's a name that harkens back to over 150 years of truly making a difference in our world. Always Alcorn.
My name is Nigel Caesar. I'm from Mendenhall, Mississippi, and I suppose my highest position is band captain for euphonium section and for the band. For me, it is a lot more than just being the head of a section or just being the main voice in a section. It becomes an issue of being a problem solver. It comes in keeping people a positive mental attitude when they're in the band room. And it becomes being an extension of leadership. So things you would think that band directors would handle themselves, or the decision you think a band director would have to make themselves, you find yourself, you have to end up making. As the euphonium section, we take a each one teach one kind of approach. Obviously the section leaders, we are the teachers when it comes to music, style, intonation, things of that nature. But making sure that freshmen know that you have input as well. You do have knowledge to impart on those who are lacking. And then that's how we even the playing field for everybody, so then everybody can excel at the same approach. And in those moments, you can't let them fall by the wayside in favor of the rest of the section who is getting it. But you put it on the crabs, the freshmen, to teach their freshman brothers and sisters, so they can learn together at the same speed, and we can all excel in the end.
Agriculture isn't just what we do, it's who we've always been. At Alcorn State University's College of Agriculture and Applied Sciences, we've always understood that feeding the world takes more than knowledge. It takes heart. Our rigorous programs blend time-honored wisdom with cutting-edge science. Here, you'll join generations of innovators who've always pushed boundaries while keeping their roots firmly planted in tradition. Always growing, always innovating, always Alcorn.
Any moment to step away with my sisters is always a good moment because we always laugh, giggle, but at the same time, like when we know it's time for business, we know it's time for business. So any moment to step away and just breathe, it's just always refreshing for me and my sister.
So how y'all feel?
Feeling real. I feel good.
Man, feel good.
Yeah.
I really feel good this morning about it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. It was just intense. It was really intense.
I mean, I cried a little bit, but
I think it's needed.
You know,
I only cried when I cried.
I cried a little bit. I cried like that.
But I like when we.
But it's okay.
It's okay.
Because I just feel like we work. I feel like they're encouraging us. I feel like our captain is really like hands-on with us. So like, yeah, she doesn't make us feel less than when we mess up.
She coached, she loved us, coached, loved us.
And then she gave us a few hugs today.
The band just seemed so intense. Like,
I was glad I'm not. When I first went out there, I was like, it was a lot going on. I felt like it was military, but it was okay.
Yes, I do. I was terrified. You was nervous. We had
yeah, you just
And back when I got out there, every time I squatted, I had to hold my restroom for
like hours.
Yeah.
2 hours. 2 hours.
Damn.
That was horrible. As far as like dance related, I think I'm improving a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you are. I've been looking at you.
I do feel like we have
I think the in-person helping you a lot though. Yeah. I think in-person helping you.
Yeah. It's way different. Yeah, I hate like. I'm not gonna say I hate, but I learned so much from all videos.
It's just more difficult.
Yeah,
it's way.
But I do feel like as a sisterhood, we're like really pushing each other, and we're really close. Like we getting in there, and they're not really having to.
You gotta get everybody out there.
Too much. Yeah.
So do y'all feel better about tomorrow morning?
Okay, I do. Yes, and because we know who he is. Yeah,
I'm scared to see something like that.
I feel like they went easy. I feel like they went easy because we're new, and they knew that we
like at the track. Like it wasn't.
Oh yeah, at the track I wasn't. But I mean, I'm surprised that we really did 6. We did a mile and a half.
They don't want us to like pass out and like have heat stroke and stuff.
Mm-hmm. Yes, but we did a mile and a half, and we did that. Like we really did a mile and a half. Like it was like that was tea. That was tea.
All the workouts, like everything just felt good. Like everything just felt good. I feel like this day was better than our practices. Cause our practices we had 2 days.
Yeah, our practices we had like they were intense, but I feel like they were only intense because they knew that we had to do a lot more stuff when game came. So I feel like everything had to mesh, and we got real one-on-one time with them.
The beginning of PC was the worst part of the day.
Yeah.
The beginning?
Yeah.
When we first got there?
No, when we first got there, that was crazy.
Scared me.
I was scared. Easy.
You want to know what the sound was going on?
Oh, it was He was running from
That was the sound that we heard the first year when we was walking out of the room.
He was just running.
We didn't see him nowhere. We just heard the sound. That's why I was scared.
That is terrifying.
I was so scared.
It's like a nightmare.
I did like the chance, like the I won't quit and all that stuff. Like it did, like
it's so easy.
It was, yes, it is.
But
like,
when I was running, I wanted to run back to my door.
Out there, like,
and you got everybody thought that. Like, no, I'm like, oh my god. Like,
no, I'm thinking, I'm like, it's so easy to run back to lots. Like, why?
It's not easy to run back to complex. So exactly.
Keep running.
Exactly. No, I wouldn't even ran. I would have said I'm just gonna stay. Like I'm not even gonna play.
That's why I said that when it was like it's more of a mental thing than anything. It really is. Cause it's like physically, it wasn't just impossible, but mentally, I was like, yeah, I don't really want to do it.
And I just kept talking to myself.
I know
in my head, like.
So how do y'all feel now, like about it? You know how we was in the summer thinking like, I think band camp gonna be like this. I think band camp be like this. But how y'all feel now? Because we was like having so many guests.
Well, I was really like scared, but
it's not
now it's not like I'm not as scared. Like at first I was like, oh my gosh, like I was scared.
Like I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know if it was gonna be easier this year or harder. Like, I didn't know that. I was getting advice from people, but it's like they say it's different every year.
Yeah, they do say it's changing.
Hard because at the end it's like this is going to be hard. But now I feel like it's hard for us.
I mean, we ain't got through the day, but I think we're gonna. I think we can.
We got like 10 more hours.
I ain't gonna lie, but I think.
We believe nursing isn't just a major, it's a calling. We're not just teaching skills, we're cultivating trailblazers who transform healthcare. Every breakthrough, every compassionate touch starts with curiosity, courage, and community. At the Alcorn State University School of Nursing, passion fuels innovation. Your journey starts here. Always innovating, always transforming, always Alcorn.
My mom checks on me literally every day, her and my dad, just making sure I'm okay, but they've been cool. I don't tell her too much stuff because it's just some stuff I just try to keep to myself just to work on my own, but for the most part, it's just checking in on me and making sure I have everything.
Like you're in school.
Like, my mama called me at like 9. You still in there? Yes, I'm still in there.
My brother FaceTimes me every day at like 10. I'm like, bro, I'm in practice. Like,
I actually talked to my mom before I went.
You don't get out to like 10.
I called my mom yesterday. She was like, you ain't talked to me in days. I was like, I feel like calling.
I tell everybody before I leave home, don't call me. I make all the calls. I guess I can get in trouble or none of that, but I make all the calls.
And then I don't even FaceTime them. I only regular call them because I don't want to see y'all in the living room that I wish I was in.
True.
I don't want to see y'all in the living room.
True.
Great.
I definitely talk to my mom every day. I talked to her before when me and ET was walking to y'all, and she was just letting me know like it's gonna be okay because she was in the military, so she was already knowing like PT gonna be. She was like, it's a mental thing. Like you got this. Like I just really had to talk to her and get that pep talk before I left because I needed that.
This is really a mental thing.
You know, that's what I
said. Missing home, but like the only reason I have to call my mom and my daddy is to let them know that I'm going. Like I'm pushing through this time. I'm not trying to quit this time. I have to let them know because mom send me all type of texts.
Motivational text.
Like we finna see you in the whatever. Don't plan that.
We're not gonna let you.
You're not gonna quit. No, we're not letting you.
I'm not quitting.
You didn't come this far and get your second chance.
I'm not
leave us, and you can't leave.
I thank God every day. Every time I go to sleep, I thank God every day because every time that since I quit, I just was praying that please give me a second chance on the team, and I got it. Thank you.
I said the same thing when I didn't make it last year. Like when I didn't make it, I was like, well. And then I did try out for another collegiate team 3 times in a row, and I didn't make it then either. And I was just like, you know what, Mia? It's not you. Like you gotta keep going. You gotta keep pushing. So like you gotta keep going. And then I came back. You know, I was a little bit bigger when I tried out last year. Then you know,
you tried out a lot of times.
I think I probably have the world record of trying out collegiately, differently. That's like the world record. Like that's 3. That's another one. This is like my 5th. This is my 5th audition, and I got it. Like this is my 5th collegiate audition. Like
you spent about $3,000 on trial.
We didn't even get on the line. need my money back, really. But yeah, I mean, it's really a learning experience, and like I feel like it helped me build my confidence and really like believe in myself. Like I just tell anybody, you gotta believe in you before somebody else believe in you. And if you go in that room and in there and you feel like you got this, and you pray, like it's really, and I feel like it's God too. Like I prayed before every tryout, and He let me know. Like in a couple tryouts I did, I was like, God, let me know if this for me, and I got cut right then and there. So He let me know it wasn't for me. When I got here, I prayed and I made it. So it's just like
same. Because when I tried last year, I wasn't working on myself. I just came to try out. But like before I tried this year, I was working on myself and then came to try out.
And mentally, like I feel like if I would have made this team last year, I wouldn't have been mentally prepared. If I would have made the team I was on for the last time, I probably would have quit. So it's just like no,
Everything
it's just everything happened for a reason, for real. Like
Everything falls in order.
Yeah, it really
is. And we all have sisters. Like it's like we got the perfect.
We do. Well, I think like, we mix real well. Like
we all come together. We have our clashing moments.
Yeah, but like we are really happy with them. Like that's sisters, and I don't have no siblings, so it's just like I gotta adjust to 9.
So I got 2 brothers.
9 personalities. Yes. And when I go home, it's just me, and then I gotta come here, and it's all of us. Like I gotta account for 9 other girls. I pray every day. I really do. But y'all actually made it easy.
I know I like being around y'all a lot because I'm the only child in the house. So
like I'm the only girl in my house.
It's
like that. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So I'm gonna make sure you all put the water bottles and everything.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Miss Morgan Luss. What can I say about Miss Morgan Luss? Let me say this. In combing through the audition videos, Morgan had, she had a really good audition video. We could tell, straight on, and looking at her and reviewing her video that, she had poise, she had technique. She was used to dancing with a very energetic style that's very close to the style that we perform with. And so looking at her audition tape, of course, you never really know how they're going to perform at the actual face-to-face tryouts. But we knew that, there was something special about her. And since she's been here, of course, we have not been disappointed. Now, Morgan, just like many of the other freshmen, has had her fair share of challenges. Catching the style is tough because even though you're familiar or you've been exposed to it, when you actually have to get there and you have to kind of train and untrain and learn and unlearn, that can be kind of tough, and it can be really, really stressful, especially when you know that you're gifted and talented. So coming here, listen, everyone starts from the bottom. Everyone starts from ground zero here, and you have to be willing to be broken down and built back up so that you can go forth and perform as a team, as a unit, so that everyone looks alike.
Next week on Sounds of Dynamite Road to the Battle, band camp marches on. Section leaders are tasked with making sure their freshmen are on point. Music is passed out at a rapid pace. The stress of the approaching HBCU Labor Day Classic Battle of the Bands is rising. And the road to the biggest stage is just the beginning. This is Sounds of Dynamite Road to the Battle.